student. I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to read our second chapter of class first, subject e-waste. So theme of this others in my world. Okay, so what we are going to read in this theme? My family, about my friends and neighbors, and festivals are fun. So let's read from the book. Now, student, my family. You can see here it is a man, a woman, a boy and a girl. All what they are making? A family, a small family. Okay, so who is he? He's introducing himself that I am Harish. I am Rohan's father. Now find who is Rohan. Here he is introducing about himself. I am Rohan. I live with my mother, father and sister. So what he is telling? Rohan is telling about his family, that who is there in his family. Now look at this. Who is she? I am Usha. I am Rohan's mother. Whose mother? Rohan's mother. Okay, so what she is telling? She is telling about her family. Now look at this girl. What she is telling about herself? I am Sweetie. I am Rohan's sister. Whose sister? Rohan's sister. Means Rohan father is Harish. Rohan mother name is Usha. Rohan sister name is Sweetie. So what Rohan is telling about his family, about my family. Okay. Now Rohan mothers and father are his parents. Rohan mother and father are his parents. Means these both are his parents. Okay. Now we are a small family. They are a small family. Okay. We are a small family. We can say we are a family. We are a small family. Okay. So now let's read. Rohan fathers likes to play football. So about whom we are talking? About Rohan father. The father name is Harish. So what he likes to play? Football. Now Rohan mothers. Rohan mothers likes to dance. Who likes to dance? Rohan mother means Usha. Mrs. Usha likes to dance. Now Sweetie's hobby is to sing songs. Who is Sweetie? Sweetie is Rohan's sister. So what she likes? She likes to sing songs. Now Rohan loves to play piano. Okay, now who is Rohan? This is Rohan. About his family he has said before. Now he is telling about himself that he likes to play piano. Now a family lives together in a house. Means all the members here, 4 members are here. They live in a house together. Members of a family look after each other, for each other. Okay, children. Now, did you know members of a family have the same last name? It is called their surname. As example, Rohan Chopra. Father of Rohan Chopra name is Harish Chopra. So Chopra is the surname of them. Okay. Now we will read variation in family. All families are different. In some families there are many children. In some families there is only one child. Means where only one in which family there is one child, we can say that is nuclear family. And the family there are many children, we can say they are having a joint family. Okay, big family. Okay, a family having 1 or 2 children is called small or nuclear family. As I told you before, where there are only 1 or 2 children, we call that family a nuclear family. You can see her father here and her mother, and here is she. So what we can call this? Which kind of family is this? This is a nuclear family. Now we will read about a big family. A family having more than 2 children. You can see they are having more than 2 children. Means 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what we will call? Which kind of This is a big family. Now we will read about joint family. First, see here, who are here? A old man and old lady. Okay, and a young woman and a young man, and now the small children are also here. So what they are making? They are making a joint family. Let's read about a joint family. In a joint family, grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, uncle, aunt and their children live together. So who lives in joint family? Grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, uncle, aunt and their children. So let's read more thing about this chapter. My friend Mohan has two brothers, okay, and two sisters. Who is telling here? This person is telling about his friend. Okay, so what is name of his friend? Mohan. Mohan has two brothers, two sisters. He has a big family. This is a big family. We can say it is a big family. So how many types of family are there, student? Nuclear family, big family and joint family. Okay. Now let's read some more topics about this chapter. Members of a family live together in the same house. Members of a family look after each other. In family, what we learn, what we do, we care for each other. Some families are small, they have 3 or 4 members. Some families are big, they have more than 4 members. So here what we have read, children, about my family, your family. So we will going to read the second chapter of this theme. Okay, children. So what we have read, the theme was others in my world. So first topic was my family, what we say in others who are in our world. So what comes first topic is your family, means my family, and the second my friends and neighbor. Now we are going to read about my friends and neighbors. Who comes in your friends and neighbors? So there are many families near my house. They are my neighbors. So means near your house, whoever is living, you can call they are your neighbors. The house built close to each other make up a neighborhood. You can see here is a one boy and here is second girl. So what they are? They are neighbors. Okay. All friends living in my neighborhood means all are living in near area. So we can say that they are living in their neighborhood. Have different type of family. Each of them are having a different kind of family. Some have small families. Some have big families and some live in joint families. I have told you about families in previous chapter. Okay, so now let me introduce you to some of my neighbors. So we are going to discuss about neighbors. This is Neeta's family. She has joint family. Who is Neeta? Here, she is Neeta. She is telling about her joint family. This is Rajan family. He has a nuclear family. Who is Rajan? Here. Yeah, this is nuclear family and this is joint family. So, he is Rajan. He has a nuclear family, means small family. Now, big family. This is Tony's family. Tony's family. He has a big family. You can see 2 girls and 1 boy. So what kind of family it is? It is a big family. Now, children, do you know what are the qualities of a good neighbor? Okay, let's read in a point. So first point is, good neighbors always help each others in times of need. Second point, they celebrate festivals together. Third point, they do not throw garbage in the neighborhood. And fourth is, they always try to keep the neighborhood clean and green. Fifth, They never play loud music that might disturb the neighbors. So these are the good qualities of neighbors. Now think that are you a good neighbor? So all the children in my neighborhood are my friends. We play together. We all celebrate festival together. So children, you also have good neighbors near about your society. So now let's read about pets. Pets are animals that live with us in our home. You have pet at your home, children. They are part of our extended family. Okay. Dogs and cats are common pets. Rabbit, fish and parrot are some other pets. So this is rabbit, this is cat, this is fish and this is parrot. We should take good care of our pets. I love my pets. Who is saying? She is saying about her pet. Her pet name is Snowy. Snowy a dog. So children, our second topic of this theme is completed. My friends and neighbors. So now we will read about our third topic, which is festivals are fun. Children, a festival is a special occasion of celebration. Now he is telling about himself that I have many friends. We celebrate many festivals together with great joy. Now read about festival. Most of the festivals are religious festivals. We celebrate them with our family members, friends and neighbors. We enjoy and have lots of fun together. We share gifts and eat special type of foods. Some well-known festivals are like Diwali, Christmas, Eid, Guru Purb, Onam, Ganesh Chaturthi, Durga Puja, Bihu. So these are the name of festival, children, which you celebrate. Okay. All work and no play makes us dull. Means all time when we do work, but there will be no enjoyment. So we feel like dull. Okay. So we need recreation. Recreation means the activity we do to refresh ourselves. Okay. Now we get tired after work, as you also get tired by doing homework or listening lecture. So what you need to refresh yourself? You need this by having fun with your family and friends. So what you can do when you are tired after work? You can watch TV, you can go to zoo, you can go to fairs. Okay, you can go for a picnic also. You can play games with your family or friend. You can go for circus also. So these things you can do after when you got tired. Sometimes there are weddings in the family. Many people come together to bless the couple. We also have lots of fun at weddings. So now wedding is also completed. Now our vacation. Sometime we have a family get together. All my cousins, uncles and aunt come over. We have a great time. Okay? During my summer vacations, we all go to a hill station to enjoy ourselves. So this is the way how you have to say about your festivals and fun. Whenever someone will ask you that tell me about your festival and how you do fun, how you enjoy. So this is the way you have to tell about your festivals and how you enjoy your festival. So children, let's read some more topics. Did you know Diwali is celebrated to mark the day when Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after an exile of 14 years? The second, the birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus are celebrated as Guru Purvas. So these are the main topic which you have to remember. Now let's read to know some more things. We have fun with our family and friends to refresh ourselves. Festivals are the occasion of joy and celebration. Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Onam, Guru Purva and Ganesh Chaturthi are some common festivals. Recreation helps us to relax. Recreation is done by playing game, reading story books, etc. So these are the things which we have read in this chapter. Okay, so our chapter is completed, our theme is completed, which was others in my world. So children, in the next, if you are having any doubt related to this chapter, please do comment on Facebook or YouTube channel. And in the next section, I am going to share you the worksheet of this theme. Thank you.